Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share. Give me 5 birds, animals, etc. vocabulary. Give me 5 birds. Avocet, blackbird, cuckoo, duck, eagle. Pet animals: buffalo, cow, dog, goat, sheep. Wild animals: bear, cheetah, gorilla, lion, tiger. Water animals: alligator, blue whale, crocodile, dolphin, eel. Insects: ant, butterfly, cockroach, dragonfly, grasshopper. Colors: black, blue, green, red, purple. Shapes: circle, diamond, rectangle, square, triangle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Save trees.